we invite you now to simply close your eyes and to breathe deeply. Breathe deeply, dear ones, and begin to feel a warm feeling in your heart, a warm feeling of harmony in your heart, divine harmony. Yes. Feel this divine harmony now expand into your body. Feel this harmony, divine harmony, fill your physical body, down your arms, down your legs, into your head, up the back of your head, down the front of your face, relaxing. Breathe deeply. Breathe in divine harmony. And exhale at ease. Yes. Begin to imagine around you all the wonderful beings of light that are here to assist you. Your galactic families of light. Beloved Lord Serapis Bey and the Ascension Brotherhood. Beloved Archangels Gabriel and Hope. And beloved Elohim, Purity and Astrea. And as these beings are around you, they are already filling your room with white light. Everything becomes brighter already. Just their presence. Feel, see, imagine, and perceive their presence now. And invite them to come closer. Now, give the command within your heart and mind. Beloved, I am presence. I now demand and command for the white light of invincible purity to purify my physical body now. And feel, see, and perceive, imagine coming from above this white, dazzling light, swirling and swirling all around and through your physical body, swirling and swirling, and all the billions of diamonds are sparkling as they are swirling and swirling, and this rotation of these diamonds is clearing and purifying your physical body, beginning at your root chakra and all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, an upward motion, swirling and swirling, raising your vibrational frequencies higher and higher. You might feel a buzzing or humming within you as this speed is increasing of this white light. The frequencies are increasing and rising higher and higher, swirling and swirling and clearing, purifying, purifying, purifying. Yes, higher and higher, higher and higher, and now even higher, even higher, even higher. And you can already feel, sense, and perceive your physical body to become lighter and brighter. And you're shining brighter and brighter. Yes, all the way out into your aura. And your aura becomes brighter and brighter. And now, again, make the command within your mind or out loud. Beloved, I am presence. Now, bring forth the ascension ray of purity, the white light of purity, the diamond shining bright light of invincible purity, to purify my emotional body. And now again, you can see, feel, and perceive and imagine this dazzling white light to come down again and to circle around your heart chakra, and it is swirling around your heart chakra faster and faster, and it is expanding out into your physical body, out into your aura, out into your world, out into all of your lifetimes. It is swirling and purifying with invincible purity. Swirling and swirling, swirling and swirling, swirling and swirling. And eventually, the brightness and the swirl of this white light is coming back in because it is complete. So it's coming slowly in, it is slowing down, it is slowing down until it resides in your heart center, in your heart chakra. And it is filling your heart chakra continuously with its invincible purity. Yes. And now, make the command to your I am presence once more. Beloved, I am presence. Purify, clarify with invincible purity, with this invincible diamond light, my mental body. Any thought forms, any images, pictures, and capacities within your mind now. And imagine now for this white dazzling diamond light to come down into your entire brain structure, into your mind, around your head, out into the universe, swirling in this swirling motion, in this diamond sparkling light, swirling and raising and raising and clearing your mental body. It is swirling and swirling, purifying, purifying and purifying, clearing, raising its vibrational frequencies. And your mind becomes lighter. You feel clear and sharp. And any memories that you have in your mind are being purified as well. Purifying all memories. Purifying all memories. Purifying all memories. Past, present, parallel, and future lifetimes. Purifying, purifying, purifying. Raising. Yes. And now, make this last command to your I am presence to purify your spiritual body, purifying your etheric body, purifying all the records that your spiritual body carries, purifying, clearing, purifying, clearing, raising. So imagine it up above you to be cleared, all legacies, records that have ever been created that are not of divine perfection now are being purified and cleared and purified and raised raised into divine perfection, to open the pathways for divine guidance, divine wisdom and knowledge, yes, and to guide you through your earthly experience of ascension. We will be quiet for a moment for you to bathe in this bright, brilliant diamond light of purification and ascension. When you feel complete, dear ones, come on back, open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and head. Come on back. These were very, very strong energies that will continue to work. They will continue to work as you go into your nighttime. And we invite you to ask your I Am Presence and the Ascended Host to assist you with your ascension in your nighttime.